Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes guys, today I have a recipe for you, especially during this COVID-19 pandemic period. So I have something for you here. Lemon and ginger scones. Lemon and ginger scones, yay. So let's get to it guys. So what we have here, I have 2 lemons. Basically it's actually one, I just diced it, and then we have like ginger, and then this is butter. This is 50 grams of butter, and then 3 eggs. We have a cup of sugar, we have lemon essence, we have vanilla essence, we have baking powder, fresh milk, and salt. So in this bowl I have 3 cups of cake flour. So what I'm going to add here is 2 tablespoons of baking powder right in there, and then we'll have about a pinch of salt. That should do. Then we'll give this a good stir. Alright, so guys, now I'm going to take in my lemon zest. So what I like to do is to take a lemon. I washed it, by the way, and a grater, and just grate some lemon zest. Yes guys, that's just about it. This is how much you will need. Don't put in lots. And then I'm going to have to take in, you see this butter, it's going to go in here. We're going to knead it together with the flour. And for this bowl, got in here. Alright, this one, what I'm going to do is to add this cup of sugar inside, and then I'm going to take this ginger, alright, and just throw it in there, and then we're going to take in about a tablespoon of lemon juice. So that's one. This is a teaspoon actually, so we need about a tablespoon. That should do. And then you beat in your 3 eggs into this bowl. 1, take another 1, 2, and another 1, 3. Yes. So we'll give this a good stir now. And then after this, you are going to take in your essence, lemon flavor. And then just open it and add about a teaspoon of that. Alright, throw it in there, and then you take half teaspoon of your vanilla essence, not too much. That should do. And then you give this a good stir again. And then you're going to take about a cup of milk. This is about a cup of milk. Yes guys, so now we have our mixture. So we put this aside and we start working on the flour and the butter using our clean hands, of course. So this is what you have. So I'm going to take the hands and start kneading this together. So guys, this is what you'll be doing to the flour and the butter. Just okay. So you keep on doing this. Yeah. So guys, after you've done that, this is what the flour looks like after 5 minutes of kneading the flour and the butter together. So this is what you have. So I'd advise you guys to use your hands so that you make sure you can feel the texture of the flour. All right, so what you do is to start you need to start pouring this mixture into this dry thingy. Let me give it a good stir first. All right, and then you start pouring it into this flour. All right, so do this bit by bit so that you don't put in too much of the mixture. All right. Okay. Again. So guys, this is your butter now, and I'm going to close this and put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. We're going to put this in the freezer for 30 minutes. Yeah, so yeah guys, I'll see you after 30 minutes. Yes guys, this is 30 minutes after. So let's remove this. This is how our butter is looking. So let's take our oil and just oil the pan, just grease it with oil. Yeah, right. So after you're done greasing it, you're going to take your butter. Remember, there's ginger, there's lemon, right? There you go. Oops. There you go. Yeah. So what you're going to do is to try and mold it like this. Right, then you're going to start rolling it. Yes. So guys, when you have something like this, you're going to take your cutter, anything, you can use anything to cut them out. So, oops, there's one right there. Then there's two. Oops. There. Then there's three. Okay. So So guys, this is an egg. We are just going to beat it and just brush it on top of your scones. Yeah, and you have this. I don't have a brush yet, so I'm just gonna use a fork in my hand. All right, just do this all over all of them. All right, so yes guys, so we're going to bake this at 108 degrees for 5 minutes, and then we increase the heat to 200 degrees, all right, until it's golden brown. So yay, let's do this guys, into the oven. Yeah, boo. Oopsie. Yep. Yes guys, our scones are done. Yay, let's get them out. There you have it guys. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking my videos guys. You can make these scones at home, healthy, delicious scones. So guys, until next time, bye.